All right, this is the 2017 Smart ForTwo. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. I'm going to show you how to control the heating and air conditioning system. Okay, so here is the heater and air conditioning controls right here. Currently it is off and is marked by this red button right here indicating off, as you can see. All right, now it's hot outside. I want the air conditioning working, so we're going to start off with air conditioning. So I'm going to press this, the AC, and then I'm going to turn the fan on by pressing this big fan as opposed to this small fan, and the air starts to blow. Okay, and as if I press it more, you see these lights start to light up and the fan starts to blow faster. All right, so fast you can barely hear me talk, so I'm going to turn it down. Okay, now to control the temperature, currently it's at its coldest peak because it is all the way over here to the left, right? I'm going to move it towards the right where this red dot is and the higher temperature is for a warmer temperature. You see that? You control it by that, okay? All right, now, say for instance you want the absolutely coldest temperature in the vehicle, right? You're gonna have this all the way to the left, and then you're gonna press this max button. You see this right here? It is gonna blow out super cold air super fast. Now watch this. Super cold air, super fast. The fan turned up all the way, and wow, it's blowing cold air. Now I'm gonna turn it down. Okay, now there's also some other features. Okay, to recirculate the air inside of the vehicle, say for instance you want it circulated, you press this recirculation button right here. Let me turn the fan down so you can hear me a little bit better. All right, I'm gonna press that and the recirculation is on. Now there's a rear defrost button. If you press this right here, if say for instance your rear window is frosted or fogged up for some reason, I don't know, you tell me, I'll press this and the rear defrost is on. To defrost the front windshield, press this button right here. If you want the fan to blow at your face, just simply press this button. If you want the fan to blow at your feet, press that button so you can see it's blowing at the feet and the face at this point. If I just want the feet, I'll press the face button one more time and that goes off. And if I want to turn the feet button, it turns off. All right, now say for instance I want the auto controls to be turned on. I simply press the auto button and it automatically adjusts the air to blow at this specified temperature at me until it gets there. And again, I can adjust the temperature by going left to right, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.